Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a savings account using the Lloyds Bank mobile app. Start by opening the Lloyds app on your phone and signing in to your account. Once you are on the main screen, look at the bottom menu and tap on the option that says Apply. This section allows you to open new products. In the Apply section, choose Savings. You will now see different savings options available to you. Tap on Compare Savings Accounts to view the list of accounts you can open. Take your time to review each option. You can select any account to read more details about interest rates, limits, and terms. If you need more information, you can also visit the Lloyds website to understand the features of each savings account. When you are sure which account you want, select it. Scroll down and read all the important information carefully. Make sure you understand the terms before moving forward. When you are ready, tap on Confirm and open account. Follow the final on-screen steps to complete the process. Once approved, your new savings account will appear in your app. That is how you add a savings account in the Lloyds app. Thanks for watching.